Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here doing a little bit of watering this morning, and we got some flowers growing on the side here. Mrs. CO planted these a while back. They got to get weeded out, but you could see some of them coming out over there. I think that's a lily, fire lily, I think is what it is, but I'm not sure. I'm just translating from Hungarian. But anyway, there's another one in here. So this has got to get weeded out. I came in here with the scythe a few days ago, but it's been almost growing back to where it was, but that's not the point. The main thing I want to show you guys right now is this mulberry tree is bringing fruit for the first time ever. I planted this, I think, the same year we bought the place, so it's probably about 4 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. I don't remember. I'd have to check back through some of the videos, but in any case, this tree had not really been doing well. I got this from my brother. I think it had suffered like freeze damage, and like part of the main stem actually kind of died back, and eventually kind of, you know, cut it back here, and then it just didn't do anything for like years. And this year I lightly pruned it a little bit in the end of winter, and it will definitely get another pruning later in the fall. But it's really exciting that there's fruit on this tree now for the first time ever. So you can see a bunch of little fruits right here. Here, let me try to get closer. I don't know how well it'll be in focus, but right here. And then there's a bunch more kind of down here under the leaves, you can see here and here, and there's a couple more here and there. Here's another one. So I mean, it's not like a huge amount by any means, but I'm very excited. This is the first time I'm seeing fruit on it, so hopefully that's a good sign that the tree is doing well. I should probably give this a little bit of you know, compost, and maybe do a re-mulch at the base. It's been a while since I've really done anything for it, so usually the weeds are almost as tall as the tree itself. So I mean, right now this is probably up to my like shoulders basically, so it's not a very big tree yet. But yeah, anyway, I'm pretty happy about it. Hopefully that's a good sign that this tree will kind of start growing a little bit more this year, and then I'll do a little bit more pruning in the fall, or at the end of winter I should say, probably. So yeah, that's it for now. Stay tuned, and hope everybody's doing well, and hope you guys are growing and planting your trees today. You might have fruit on them in a few years just like me. See ya.